Bearish Nexo market cost expectation for 2023 is 57 cents. Nexo presentation. Researchers learned one thing on account of the rise of cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. With this confirmation in their algorithmic ability, researchers and cryptographers worked eagerly to foster an extraordinary digital currency that could hold most extreme incentive at a promising future cost and empower getting cash and making installments in replaceable nearby money. We should take a gander at the coin rundown prior to getting into a far-reaching value expectation of the Nexo cost. What is Nexo? Clients might help credits got by cryptographic forms of money through Nexo, a blockchain-based loaning stage. The way that these advances don't need a FICO rating makes them a helpful option for clients. The Nexo stage permits clients to store upheld crypto resources and get a quick advance in excess of 45 unique government-issued types of money. Credit lines are quickly set aside open after an installment, and there is compelling reason need to do a credit check. Clients approach their credit line consistently utilizing the Nexo card and may pull out cash directly to their financial balances. Nexo stage's establishment is based on two core values. 1. The value-based scale. 2. Making it simpler for applications to consistently incorporate. The universe of installments gives off an impression of being going to go through a total change thanks to Nexo, which is likewise a productive venture decision. The presentation of free virtual cards with no restriction cash trades has been a conspicuous part of Nexo. The fundamental benefit purchasers get from utilizing these cards is the capacity to pay with their local monetary standards, which might be utilized for limits. Nexo major examination. Regardless of being based on blockchain calculations, Nexo is very helpless and, as other digital currencies, is vigorously dependent on value development, request, and supply. The commitments Nexo offers for the future are a subject of discussion among specialists. Nexo's cost moved from 55 cents to 98 cents during April and May 2018, a huge increment that recommended a critical degree of early financial backer premium, as per verifiable information, following the organization made its market debut in 2018. Be that as it may, it showed basically level energy until September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo had ascended past normal exchanging cost of 73 cents, yet it has since had a little pullback and has come back testing the typical cost of 50 cents level. Startlingly, verifiable information uncovers that during the coronavirus stage, while any remaining monetary forms showed horrible showing, the Nexo cost showed soundness, acquiring financial backer certainty, and exhibiting a critical expansion in energy. Starting from the beginning of 2022, there has been no sign of a Nexo cost drop. As per Nexo's own measurements, it oversees resources worth $80 billion and has multiple million supporters overall spread across in excess of 200 nations. A sum of north of 40 huge digital forms of money are upheld, including the Nexo token along with Bitcoin, Ether, AXI, Phantom, Cardano, and Dogecoin. Albeit the rate is in many cases lower, clients can acquire up to 16% of premium on their collateralized resources. In a new perusing, TAI was procuring 12% APR, while BTC was creating 7%. Nexo has amazing trust pull-out evaluations. But there are additionally plainly a few phony surveys blended in with the genuine ones. Nexo current cost. Nexo is at present worth 72 cents USD. Nexo has moved 0.13% as of now with an exchanging volume of $16,147,359. Nexo is at present position 92 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $403,518,649 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Nexo to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Nexo market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Nexo Value Forecast 2023. Nexo, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Nexo cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $1.08. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1.01 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Nexo is supposed to have a base worth of 86 cents. Nexo Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Nexo cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Nexo will before long outperform $1.81. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the Nexo's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Nexo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.45 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.59. Nexo Value Expectation 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.53 and Nexo might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Nexo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.31 and a low of $2.17 in 2025. Nexo Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Nexo effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the Nexo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Nexo will be green in 2026. The Nexo is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $3.25, with a base cost of $2.89 and a typical cost of $3.04. Nexo Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Nexo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.76 by 2027, with a base cost of $3.62 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Nexo has a most extreme value worth of $3.98. Nexo Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $4.48. On the off chance that Nexo figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $4.70. Neglecting to assemble the help Nexo needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $4.34. Nexo Value Expectation 2029. While Nexo is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $5.06 and a yearly cost close above $5.42 in 2029. Nexo Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Nexo will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $5.79 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $6.15, averaging out at $5.93. Nexo Value Forecast 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme Nexo cost in 2031 is projected to be $7.09 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $6.80. And the cost of the Nexo presently doesn't anticipate what it will cost tomorrow. How much?